बॉस्टन देखिए बिखरा पड़ा है, 7,000 प्रॉप्स, बच्चे, लाइटिंग, क्रू, स्टार कास्ट, everybody is at the stage. We put a lot of effort in this show.
We're very excited, to be part of this team, and I think we're looking forward to so far. सारा setup ready हो गया, तो लाइटिंग के ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਸੈਟ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਸੀਨਸ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੀਕੁਐਂਸਿੰਗ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈਗੀ, ਟਾਈਮ ਕੋਡਿੰਗ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਕਦੋਂ ਕਿਸ ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ.
Great experience. We are enjoying, and it's a pleasure to be the part of team of Rang.
This is the first show, so I think we are still preparing the show for the show. We are expecting huge crowd.
I'm excited, I'm overwhelmed, full of energy. I might look extremely lethargic and tired right now, but it's all false. Makeup will fix all of this, but definitely excited for what we have coming to show you guys.
Yes, Emma. Yes, Emma. क्या लग रहा है? शो होने जा रहा है, बॉस्टन पहला दिन. क्या फीलिंग्स हैं भाई?
I'm so excited, man. It's backstage. Look how much hard work we have done, and cut कर दो.
हाँ जी आंटी. हाय.
कैसा लगा प्रॉप्स करके?
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा. कैसा लग रहा है आज पहला शो होने वाला?
बहुत अच्छा.
It's technical rehearsal time for us right now, so Malaika is actually rehearsing there. I'm going to be going in next. Today is the show, so it's really, really exciting.
We are performing the first show. Right now you can see the people getting ready. The kids are very excited, and we are performing at the Bank Theatre. It's one of the very, very prestigious theatres, so I got very lucky to perform there. So.
Very confident. I just wanted to be a hit. All the 4 shows.
Little stressing, but yeah, all good.
About the show, I've been working since 1 year on this show. I hope it's a success, and all the best to Kishore ji.
नमस्ते. प्लीज़ हमारा शो आके देखिए, सक्सेसफुल शो जो हम लगातार बार करेंगे.
Oh, I thought it was a picture. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. I'm in my opening outfit. And run.
Doctor Saab.
हाँ जी सर.
Your show is about to start.
Yes sir. मैं थोड़ा सा होलिया ठीक कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि बाहर वालों को शायद लगना चाहिए ना कि भाई कोई ढंग का.
So, what you say? Excited?
Excited. First show. I think it will be an awesome show. 10 minutes into the show, into the opening of the show. So I'm pretty blessed. Thank you to Kishore ji, UFI, entire team, my team, everybody for supporting us, believing in us, and I think the audience will have an awesome time, watching the magic that we create on stage. So love you too, and major love to Vakar, our audio digital expert and lead, who has been creating awesome content for us. I love you with all my heart, and I hope that people can see what an amazing, exciting palette he has created with all the exciting footage that he has been collecting all these months and years. All right, so love you guys all, and we'll be we'll be coming back with an update after the show highlights. So I hope everybody enjoys it.
It was an amazing show. There was a lot of huge audience, huge crowd that came to support us, and we love the support, and we hope to see you again for the other shows too.
Oh man, it's enjoyed. It's a very good show. Enjoyed more than me. All artists has enjoyed. They all love the concept. People love the concept.